How to change Dlink router to access point? Follow these instructions. Connect a PC to the D-Link router using Ethernet or Wi-Fi to access its web configuration page. Open browser and go to 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, then log in using admin as username and your router's password. Disable the DHCP server in network settings so your main router can handle IP addresses, not this D-Link. Change the LAN IP address of the D-Link router to match your main network. 192.168.1.2. Turn off NAT, firewall, and UPnP under advanced settings if available to avoid routing conflicts. Plug Ethernet cable from your main router's LAN port into a LAN port, not WAN, on the D-Link router. Save settings and reboot the D-Link router. Now it works as an access point extending your network. Thank you for watching.